Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today I am going to teach a lesson from class 6 and the topic name is Grand Contest in the Forest. First of all, here you have a doubt about what is contest. Here contest is nothing but competition. So here there was a competition in the forest and all animals are began to preparing for the competition. Okay, see, if you enter into the lesson, there was an excitement in the air because the reason is there was a competition which will be held in the forest. So all animals, trees began their preparation because if they won the title, they would be praised by the lots of fire, wind, water and sun. That's why seriously they began their preparation. In that some trees, some plants and some animals also participating here. Here there is a plant. What is that? Laburnum. Here laburnum is one kind of yellow colored flower. So what it says, I will shine beautifully and when I blow, I look like golden raindrops. I hope the great one would like my flowers. That's why I felt very happy to have my flowers, said by laburnum. And in the same time, what bear said, I will find out the best honey. Maybe my honey will liked by the great one, said by bear. And here what the elephant says. The elephant says, I will find out the best fruit which will find out in the forest. Maybe my fruit will be liked by the great one. This is said by elephant. That's why all are seriously preparing to find out or to get something good to give to the great one. And in the same time, there was a small animal, small creature. What is that? It is a squirrel. When all are very busy in their preparation, but here squirrel was very disappointed in mood because the reason is they are very big. That's why they can find out something. But what a teeny creature, what a teeny animal can give. That's why it was very in disappointment mode. Then, so what it says? What shall I give? Because I am very a small animal. This is thought by the squirrel. And in the same time, there is one more plant. And what is that? Palash. Palash says, I will give my best flowers to the great one. Then, when the trees and creatures, when all are busy and they are competing and also fighting because what they said, yes, this is only the best one, they said to another animals. And what other says, no, that was not the best one. Maybe the great one will be liked by my flowers or my honey or so and so etc. So when all are arguing about their best things, then in the same time there was a mango tree. What the mango tree says, I will give my best mangoes which will be very tasty. I will give to the great one, said by mangoes. And immediately what the peacock says, I will give my feathers, my beautiful feathers, because the great one will be like my feathers. And in the same time, what the dove says, I will sing beautifully because while I was singing, my good sound would be very soft. Maybe this is liked by the great one, said by dove. So all said their opinions and all arguing about their best thing or best quality in the same time. Still, the squirrel was in disappointed mood because then it was observing everything. All are competing, all are fighting with others. But what shall I give? It was thinking, what can I give? What a tiny animal can give the best thing to the great one. It was still thinking about this. But I want to give something. I want to give something to the great one. It was thinking. Finally, it had an idea. According to the idea, in the forest, what are the seeds? What are the nuts? What are the seeds and what are the nuts available? Immediately, it was searching for that. When it gathered, immediately the nuts and seeds will be filled in the dry branches. So this is the work done by the squirrel. Next. In the next day, all are ready to produce their best thing to the great one. Here, when the great day came, all are submitting, yes, dear great one, yes, this is my best thing, please take this. They said in front of great one and they are taking blessings. Here elephant gave best fruit and some flowers, some plants gave them the best flowers. And in the same time, the bear gave sweet honey. When all are submitting their best thing to the great one, here the squirrel was still in disappointed mood whether the nuts and the seeds would be liked by the great one or not. Still it has a doubt in his mind. So immediately the great one observed, yes, my dear squirrel, show me where is the best thing. Then immediately the squirrel says, I don't have anything because I am a very teeny animal. But if you like, I will give you some seeds and nuts which were filled by me in the dry branches. Immediately it says to the great one and go back to its place and immediately dragging the dry branches and immediately submitting to the great one. So immediately the great one observed everything. But do you know, with these seeds and nuts, we can plant or we can see some more plants. In this way, the forest will be increased. So this activity not only useful for present but also useful for future. So really you are an intelligent. So immediately the great one, the lords of fire, wind, water and sun announced the squirrel is an intelligent animal and they elected as the best animal in the forest. And the great one gave a title to the squirrel. So with this we successfully completed the lesson Grand Contest in the forest. Thank you.